In order to pay for Super Grok, the first thing you want to do is you want to load into Grok like you normally would. Then what you want to do is you want to select on chat. Now, if you go over here to the bottom right, you're going to see this section that says Super Grok, and you're able to go ahead and try it for free. So go ahead and click on it just like so. So Grok has multiple different options. So we got the individual, which is $30 a month. However, it is going to give you 3 days free. There's also business as well. So you can go ahead and actually pick between one of these as well. So that's definitely up to you. Then you're able to go ahead and select on claim free offer just like so. Afterwards, it is going to ask you to actually include a payment method as well. So even though there is a free trial, you will need to go ahead and still use a payment method in order to access the 3-day free trial. So just keep that in mind. So you could use something like a debit card. You could also use Cash App, crypto, Klarna, etc. But from there, you should be good to go. And this is where you need to go in order to begin paying for it. If you're using a debit card, you're going to need to include your card number, your CVV, and the expiration date as well. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.